Welcome inside our advanced manufacturing facility in the United States, where raw, high-carbon steel is transformed into precision-engineered blades. In this process-driven documentary, you'll witness real workers, real machines, and the craftsmanship behind American industrial excellence.
This one's right on spec. Good. Check the next one. This one is also within tolerance. Keep it steady, push forward. Stop, it's aligned now. Lift it slightly, higher. Okay, lowering now. It's set, clear the area.
From raw steel to a finished high-carbon blade, every step reflects precision, strength, and dedication. This is how modern manufacturing meets tradition in the United States. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more real factory process stories.